What do I do with it? What's up there? It's touch panel. Oh, my love. Oh, who's that? Yo, my Southern Experiments. Hey. My darling. So we're not going to update? No. Okay, there we go. Oh, I just want to see if... Thank you, Simon. Thanks, my Southern Experiments. Hey, welcome back. Thanks, guys. I just want to see if this is worked now. See if we've got any continuity. If not, I'm done. Surely that would have dried. Let me feel it. Feels dry. It's been over an hour. Nope, still nothing. Oh, is that not fully dry still? That's still not fully dry. What? This is mental. Ohms reading? Nope, nothing. Alright, it takes around 24 hours. Ah! Alright, I'll come back to that then. I wanted to see if I get that done. I want it out of my face. Okay, next is this stupid amplifier again. Go back to this. I've literally got to test the caps and everything. Put it on board heater. I don't have a board heater. Sorry. Yeah. Subwoofer, not amplifier. I had some guy call me up saying about he's got a 55-inch, and I was like, 55-inch what, TV? He said, yeah. I said, sorry, I don't do TVs anymore. And he was like, so what do you do? I was like, oh, cheeky little shit. I said I do everything but TV, not TVs anymore, because people don't bother picking them up and I have to get rid of them. And he's like, do you know anywhere else that does that? I said, no, they don't do it for the same reason. Oh, have you, James? Hello, Andrew. Welcome back. Welcome, GP. Sit on it like an egg. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah. Right. Let me get this board back out again. Was it just those four and that, wasn't it? 4 screws and this main. Ugh. So nobody online is saying it's the MOSFETs. They're all saying it's capacitors. Man, I hate this. So the other, I think, did I try that other little cap? Did I test this other cap? This one. It's rather wobbly. Oh. Oh, I must have done. But no, maybe I didn't. But the pad's been pulled off now. Did I try that cap? I think I may have done. Yeah, I think I probably did. But I've ruined it. I've damaged it slightly. So I'm going to have to fix that quick. Maybe that's why it's not working now. No, because the resistor still gets hot. Oh, did you see it? I pulled the pad off. Yeah, we see, Andy. You donut. Sorry, yeah, I know. That'll do. Wonder if... Nah, this won't be the reason why, will it? Cool. That's better. Doubt it. Yeah, I doubt it neither. Alright, let's look what other capacitor I could take a look at. Because online are just saying it's capacitors all the time. Zoom in a little bit more. A bit zoomed out for this one. How far should we zoom in? There. That's probably a good amount. Next. So if this resistor's getting hot, so it's something really close. Should I try these big caps? I've checked C1. I think I took a screenshot on what people said. Make sure I don't get any screenshots of naked pictures. Did I take a screenshot? Yeah, here. Your advice was spot on regarding caps. I replaced C11. Where's C11? Oh god, here we go again, looking for bloody numbers. Let's C1 anyway. C11 and C10. Oh, C10's there. I didn't test this one. You replaced C11 and C10, then C1. Well, there's C10. Where's C? Where's C11? Oh, C11. Oh, yeah, that is C11. Yeah, I've tested that already. C11, C10, and C1. So I've got to try C10, see what that's like. Glad to see you back, Andy. Thank you, David. It's good to see you back too, buddy. Thank you. Have you checked the MOSFETs and diodes for sure? Yeah, EDM, they're clean. Oh my god. What is this white stuff? I'm going to have to cut it. Jesus. Now I can get that cap out. Which is... I sent you the invoice. Hey pal, send the reefers when you're happy with it being sorted and I'll sort them out straight away and come pick it up at your earliest convenience. I did send it to you. Oh, I have to send it manually. It's glued to prevent them from moving. Ah. Okay. Sorry guys, 2 seconds. I swear I sent the invoice. Doesn't say undelivered. Okay, well, I'll have to send it to him manually. Share via SMS. Just once. This one. Send. Right, so negative. So it's these two. Yeah. Sorry, just trying to get this cap out. There you go. That was nice and easy and clean. Good luck me trying to separate that. Let's try it in my tester, well, that'll be fine. What's this one? 35 volts, 100 UF. Drain it. Yeah, it's dead. Damn it, these legs are too small. No, please go in there. There you go. Got it. $90 UF. What is it? 100, isn't it? There's 100 UF. Is that okay, or should I change it? ESR is 1.3 ohms. Hello, Falcon. Voltage loss is a bit, 1.9%. I'll say a bit, that's actually low. Plus minus 30. ESR seems high. You reckon that's high? I might as well change it anyway if I got 35 volt. Boom. $1.5 ohm. So what is this? This is 100 UF at 35 volts. 100 UF at 16 volts. Damn it. No, I don't have 35 volts. Highest it goes to is 25. You bugger. What, 35 volts? That's such a weird reading. I don't think I've got anything else with... Ooh, money me. Electrolytic caps. 35 volts on it. What's this? 50 volts, 47 UF. No. Need 100 UF, please. 4.7. No. What are you? 470. No, I love that. Personally, bloody annoying. I know you received it. I mean, you've sent it. Yeah, I know it's higher. I haven't got a higher one. Hello, Mr. Brown. Hello, Anchor. I want to say Anchor. Voltage rating is fine as long as it's higher, yeah. Unfortunately, it's lower. This is 35 volts in here. And the only one I've got is 25 volts, so... So I can't change that. Test the 60. Okay. Sorry, guys, because I've had a coffee and a vape, and it's like messed with my throat a little bit. Right, so why can't I push that through? Oh, I'm gonna have to clear the holes. It'll be easier that way. All right, let me quickly check the other capacitor then to compare it. Nothing compares. I don't know why I love that song. Good morning, Anchor. Yes. Is it cold where you are? I'm assuming it is. Let's go for the 25 volts. 100 UF, 25 volts. ESR 0. Nah, about 24C. Oh, that's nice. So this is the 25 volt UF one, not the 16 volt. So do you reckon it's worth me ordering a capacitor for it? Or another bunch of capacitors with higher voltage rating? Just because of this one cap? Oh, cap is bad. I wouldn't say it's bad. Oh, who's out of the door? Is that the missus again? Bloody is. Is she outside still? No, she's gone away. Would you say it's bad though? Alright, I'll have to just order small caps. What's that? C12. I've not tested C12. Or is that C13? That could be C13. Another little cap here I've not tested. Let me try this one as well. Oh, actually, I think I've tested that one. Yeah, I've done that one already. Oh, it's the one I've replaced. Have I replaced that one? Yeah, I replaced that one. Well, that's the only capacitor left. Unless I've got all these four. And these big chunkies. I'm still tempted to get these big ones off. Why not? I'll just take the big ones off. Hello, Sylvie. ESR too high. Is it though? Is it really? Yeah, if you think it is, then I'll just order some more. Sylvie. Silvache. Second attempt to fix this one? Yeah. Online, people are just saying it's capacitors. Always capacitors. What? Fucking. Who's doing that? Is it a customer or is it... There's no one there. What is she doing? How many times? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Falcon, what are you doing? Who are you trying to get people to watch? Oh, now it's the door. 2 seconds. Hi, buddy. Give me 2 seconds.
Okay, no worries. Thank you.
Okay, story of that PS5. Apparently, I think he said his dad tried to do it. I said, "Oh well, I'm glad he stopped when he did." And he said there was a HDMI port taped down to the PS5. He goes, "Oh, I didn't see that. I didn't see no PS5 HDMI port. Whoops." Hola, cryogenic. Hello. Right, I was taking this big cap off, wasn't I? Damn, I've got to wait for my iron to heat up. Hola, mi amigos. Hola, ¿cómo estás hoy? Well, this is going to be a bit harder to do. Because these are more further apart. Damn it. Oh, fuck off, man! Sorry, language. Is that her again? I'm going to literally screw. Oh, no, okay. There's a big lorry going past. Wait. What? That's the wrong one. Why does it do that? It plays the wrong one when I click on it. AI doorbell plays pranks. Yeah. Come on, load it. Here we go. Get in stream. Come on, 5G. Screw what? There you go. Look, that stupid thing. Damn it. Anyway, I'm stalling. Don't think I could get this off without hot air. No, I'm gonna have to get a bit of hot air on it. Oh, do I not have high? Oh, that sucks. 100 UF 35 volts. What's this? 10 UF 63 volts. Damn it. That's the one I thought it might have been. I don't have any more. Is it okay to use hot air, do you reckon? Let's have a look. Thin board alert. Oh, is it? Alright, thank you. I won't use hot air then. Oh, I see. They've used that white stuff at the bottom of the big caps as well. So that's probably going to be a no-go unless I really yank on it. What do you reckon it'll do without the capacitor? Will it just... If I take the capacitor off and power it up, got 2 irons? I do, actually. Okay, thanks, EDM. What do you reckon will happen if I take off the cap and start it up? And if it stops that resistor from glowing hot, do you reckon that... Is it okay to try it? Use the pliers to separate them from glue. Do you reckon it's safe to start up without the capacitor in? Yeah, bulb pump desoldering tool is great. Oh yeah, I've got a desoldering gun. What a douchebag. Okay, that's cool. No football. Okay, I'll reply to you later. Try it. Also check the actual voltage on the missing cap. Well, actually check the voltage below it. Do you reckon I should use my dim bulb tester? Because I don't want it damaging the actual board. Can you tell what part of the circuit the cap is from? It is from these big caps, by the looks of it, and to this. You can see that brown trace at the bottom, so I'm assuming it goes from this leg of the transformer type thingy to this big cap. But why is there another? Is that a smoothing cap, I guess? That's what I'm guessing. That's the only capacitor that's left, apart from these two big ones. I've checked that, checked that because I've replaced it. I've checked that, which is fine, 10 UF at 50 volts. I think the ESI was okay on that. What voltage is it rated at? 35. Such a weird voltage. What's the IC on the board? We've established. I think we established this before. There's no shorts on it. It's going to be a bit blurry until I focus onto it. Hold on. There. If you could read that, fair play. If not, sorry. There you go. R2153D. But I don't think it's the IC, because there's that one resistor down here that's getting hot. If it's something all the way over here, it can't correspond. Oh yeah, actually no, it is near that resistor. This is the one that gets hot. Unless it's one of these little things, which I don't even know what that is. Is there writing on it? Can I read that? 2A 10 volt, 2 amp 100. 2A 100? Is that a fuse? No. No, not a fuse, is it? Are you a fuse? What is that? Is there a fuse on this? There should be a fuse on this board, right? It's a cap. MOSFET driver IC. Oh, that is. Oh. Yeah, these MOSFETs are fine. I've tested them. They're fine. All four of them. One's a... You see it there. It's a bidirectional diode type thing, whatever it's called. Same with the other one. They read fine. These FETs here are fine. This capacitor... I can't remember what it was reading, but it's literally right next to this thing. All right, let me try plugging it in. See what happens. Filter and power, the value is normally in picofarads. Oh, is it? Those things. Yeah, let me try plug it in. Yes, but are the MOSFETs being pulsed by the driver IC? Don't know. I'll have to check voltages once it's powered up. Let me try it without the cap. If it's still no difference, I'll put the capacitor back in, and then I'll check the FET's voltage. Thing is, I don't know which one's the base collector and the emitter. Right, it's going to leave it like that for a minute. When that's hot though, when I've got it plugged in, I don't know. Do you reckon I should use my dim bulb tester? Put your tongue on it and say, "Oi!" Funny how the vent of the cap is glued up. I know, bad, isn't it? It's kind of dodgy. Good idea. I never pointed that out before. Although I need to still glue my dim bulb tester up. Let's go wide. Get source drain on a MOSFET. Gate source drain, that's it. Not base emitter, whatever it is. Gate source drain. Oh, I'm thinking of transistors then. Test outside the case, don't connect to board yet. I'm not going to connect it. It's not connected. Thing is, I need to have it connected to here to test it. I want to see my bulb light up. Oh no, my screwdriver's going flat. Hello? Hello? One screw enough? Nah, let's go two. Not down. Okay, so what I've got to do is plug this into there. Oh, it's exciting, isn't it, guys? Give it beans. This into here. We're not connected to anything yet. That's on the on position, so that's okay. Now, if I put power into my thingy, make sure it's all on off. So bypass is off, and the main switch at the back is off. No, I need another kettle cable. Damn it. Oh, I have to use it from my... I've got too many cables down here. Clear this up. This one goes to that. Whoops. Well, if it did work, it's not now. Okay. Right. Plug in. Main kettle cable here. Flip it around so you can actually measure voltage on the PSU PCB. I can't, Sylvie. It's kind of screwed down. Just want to see if this if it's the resistor still glowing without this capacitor in. Right, here we go. Right, it's receiving power. Ready? I'm going to flip the switch to turn it on. Okay. That means it's okay, yeah? You saw it momentarily flash. That means it's okay. It's not gonna go bang. Cool. So I can hit the bypass switch to allow it to go right through, and it'll be all right, yeah? Nice short glow. It's fine. That's inrush current. All right. Okay. Cool. I like that. So it's all right to flip this switch. Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. Let's get the thermal camera out quick and have a look. Ooh, it's exciting. Didn't blow my electrics. Nice having a switch next to possible exploding glass. Where else do you want it? In another room? Yo, hello, interesting things. Nah, it's still getting hot. And that one there, which is another resistor, but it's not as hot. That's only 45 degrees. And this one's 83, 84 degrees. It's so hot. 87 degrees. That's hot. Alright, let's turn it off. How many ohms resist on both sides to hot ground? Hold on. Yeah, I definitely need to glue this in. Do I have to take it out for that, Ben? The switch is supposed to be used only later when you actually need the full power from the mains. Right now, you can leave the bulb in. The switch is supposed to be used only later when you actually need the full power from the mains. Right now, you can leave the bulb in. Not quite sure what that means. The switch is supposed to be what? The bypass switch is only supposed to be used only later when you actually need the full power from the mains. Bulb limits watts. Or on maybe? Don't know. Right, can you see that? Yeah. Testing with the bulb in series all the time, that's what I mean. So it's okay not having. I could just have the bypass switch always on, and it'll always glow up the light first before it blows anything else up. Is that what you're saying? I could always leave the bypass switch on. Yes. Oh, but so yeah, if it was drawing too much, it will go to the bulb first instead of the main unit, which will cause it to blow. The unit is drawing less than 100 watts or whatever the bulb is. It's only 60 watts. If the bulb is lit, when overriding the bulb, it will allow more power. Okay. Oh, okay. So I could always leave the switch on, the override switch. Okay. Right. So you want me to test a hot? Thing is, what's hot ground on here? Resistance. That's obviously not hot ground. Neutral. See, we're in the megohms. I've already tested the resistor anyway. It was 100k. Hot ground is negative on the main capacitors. Bypass switch is for when you think it's fixed. Wait, I'm so confused. So I should always have the bypass switch off, not on. Yeah, the resistor is 100k, yeah. Customer. That's not too much, no. Oh. Hello, Swin Electronic Repairs. Hi. Oh yeah. It's 54. Yeah, 54 Somerville Road. All right, I'll see you soon. All right, okay, I'll meet you at the front door then. All right, later. Bye. 2 seconds, guys. Got another PS5 coming.
Tony Spadaro subscribed to the channel.
Oh my god, so sorry guys. Really sorry. Really sorry. First he was at the wrong house, and then he couldn't find the house. Then he found it. And then he's a nice guy, that guy. Really nice guy. It's another PS5. Ugh, sorry guys. Oh yeah, where was I? Is the resistor supposed to be 100k, guys? Yes, it is, Ben. Yes, it's a 100k resistor. Just thought it was a small current limiting one for. Yeah, it's supposed to be 100k, and that's exactly what it's reading. This is annoying. There's no. Well, Ben, we come across one resistor. This one, I don't know whether or not you know if it's okay. EDM Guru thinks it's not. I don't know anything about capacitor readings. No one else also. 2 seconds, Silvio. Oh, I'm out of breath. The ESR is 1.9 ohms. Is that bad? Or is that okay enough? Voltage loss has gone up a bit now as well. God, it's so cold. Yeah. What's the markings on the cap? It's 35 volts, 100 UF. Depends on what it is. Not too high. No, it's not too high, but it is. Will it still work? Is what I'm saying. It won't cause any issues. I know it's out of spec slightly because the ESR is not 0 like the other cap I tested. But that's not to the point where it's going to affect it as such, like this in this instant. I don't know. I think Ben's gone. Depends what it is. Yeah, it's a 100 UF 35 volts. Why is the front door being detected again? I fucking miss it. Beat her up. I'm not going to beat her up. We'll be back in an hour. Yeah, no worries, man. I'm going to put that cap back on. What did you want me to test, guys? I can't remember what else. Was it you wanted me to test the voltage of the MOSFETs? You want me to flip the board over? Do you advise me putting the cap in first or not worry about it yet? It's bad. Oh, it is bad. So that is bad for the cap. So that could potentially be the issue. Potentially. I'm going to have to order. I haven't got a 35 volt one though. I'm going to have to order some up. So what is a good reading then, apart from 0? What's the highest it could go up to before being bad? Alright, anyway, let me try and check the voltage of the MOSFET, see if they are getting any readings on them, see if any power's getting to it. Look up ESR chart. Okay. Yeah, because Vince has that on his machine, doesn't he? It says worst case scenario, and then it will show you. Let's have a look. That's a good shout. I forgot about that. Thank you, guys. See, this is why you guys are great. ESR chart. Whoop. Oh, okay. Nope. Thanks, Phil. Okay. Wow. I was just about to do it, but I appreciate that, brother. Where did you post it? Damn it. I've lost it. In general? Yes. Ah, that's perfect. Who the hell is that? PCDD. What the I thought he's got a face full of cum. I thought he got cum all over his face. Anything below 1.1 ohms is good. Oh, okay, thank you. Where did it go? There it is. So it's a 35 volt at 100 UF, worst case 1.1. Ah, yeah. This is really cool. I'll keep that. Save that. Thanks for that, Phil. We don't kink shame. Should be near 1. Yeah, and what we were reading? 1.8, wasn't it? So that's worst case scenario. So that's well above. That's 1.8 ESR. Shouldn't be ESR be near 0.1? Yeah, 1.7. So it's over. Okay. Interesting. Wouldn't it be cool if that was the actual fix? I don't think it will be, but right, this is still hot. There should be maybe voltage in there, but it's never been the case. It's always been dead for the capacitors. Right, okay, I think that's okay there. The MOSFETs are there. Let me just check the capacitor. You can't even see. Test another cap you have against the table. Test another cap you have against the table. Okay, yeah, I'll try that. What, a new one or an old one? Or you're about on the board? Oh, I'll have to go wide for this bit. Lick it and find. I'm not licking it. I'll lick you. A new one. Yeah, the new one reads 0. We've done one earlier and it showed 0 ESR, 0.0. A rule of thumb, the higher the voltage rating of a cap, the higher the ESR will be as well. Right, that's perfect. Thank you. So you get used to understanding it. Yeah, all right, let me try another one. But the ESR, the one I tried a minute ago, was 0. It was literally 0.0. Yes, please. What for? Oh, my God. Another customer. Hold on, guys. Hello, it's from Electronic Repairs. Hi.
I've got a really small one.
Yeah, it's £30 for a service on a PS5. It depends what time you drop it off. Because if it's today, obviously I'll close in a couple of hours and I won't have time to get around to it. But yeah, usually it is same day repair, yeah. No worries. Yes, it was. You're welcome. I love your accent, by the way. Where is it from? Oh, Nottingham. Oh, that's cool. Very rare. Ah, awesome. Yeah, don't hear that accent very much down here. All right, then. Yeah, just drop it round whenever's best for you and should be able to get it done. No worries. Take care. Bye. What a cool accent. Nottingham. PS5 internal clean. Doesn't the bypass switch mean the bulb is bypassed? Yes, that's what I thought. It depends on how it's wired up. How did I wire it up? Is mine wired up bypassing the bulb, or does it still go through the bulb? Oh, man. Right, what was I doing? Oh, yeah, checking the ESR reading. So this is 100 UF. But this is, what voltage was this? 25 volts. Shame you can't put these in like series or parallel to double the voltage, but keep the same rating. Is that a thing? Anyway, here we go. Drop it off. It's not done same day, wait longer. Yeah, I forgot to tell him that, but he's down from Nottingham, so he hasn't. See, look, the ESR is 0, 1.4 ohms. So I can't really do it against that. That's a perfect. I'll try a different cap because maybe it might be different. This is a 16 volt 470. I guess consoles I could do same day. It's not an issue. It's other stuff that have to require more time like this. No, that's still ESR 0. Damn it. Where did I get this one from? 470 UF, 16 volts. Let's try this big boy. Yeah, this is 100 UF, no, 1000 UF at 16 volts. At home waiting for him, Pico Electronics. Oh, yeah. He's going to do a video on it. There's nothing special packed in there, by the way. Sorry. Yes, you can, but not really recommended. Oh, okay. Yeah, I won't do that then. For testing bulb, it's still 0 UF, ESR. So I can't, they're all 0. So for a cheap kit, for the ESRs to be pretty low, that's pretty good. 16 volt cap should have a lower ESR than 35 volt. Yeah, I don't have 35 volt cap, so I missed that dim bulb. For testing, bulb needs to be in series. Break one of the LED leads, go into device and insert the board into that break. Yeah, I don't understand how mine's Alex set up. It was built by me, wired by chat. Right, so I was going to check the voltage of the capacitor quick. Yeah, 0 volts. They're not even getting charged. Not one bit. So it's like voltage is not even getting to the capacitors. All right, let's plug it in and give it a go. So if I have it like this, I'm not going to use my dim bulb tester, because what security is it going to give me now? Oh man, this is scary. Put it in a higher wattage resistor. Done. Put in a higher wattage resistor. Use it. Really? You recommend me using it? Really? You guys recommend me using the dim bulb tester? But it's not even glued down yet or anything. It's still really loose. Why not? Why so? Will it protect me in any way? Okay. I don't know. I don't know. Your dim bulb tester is okay to use. Okay. All right. Need the other lead. It's just bloody more wires everywhere. All right, we're all loaded up. It's not on at the minute. Turning it on now. Boop. Love that. It will protect the circuit. All right, okay, so we're hot. We're not bypassed, we're just hot. Don't know, actually. Can I measure it while it's like this? These three. You're going to tell me I need to bypass it now. On the bulging caps, there'll be nothing. Yeah, there's nothing on these big caps. Oh, yeah, there is. 166. That's wow low. Wait, were these 200 volt caps? Yeah, these were 200. 166 volts. My first repair year has gone badly. Oh, good news, though. Van passed MOT. Let's go. Secure the caliper properly. Oh, so yeah, they just let it slide then, sort of thing. Measure voltage where the old cap fits. Do you know what, guys? Did I leave that bridged? I bloody did. I've left it bridged. Well, that's dodgy, innit? Wow, I left it bridged. I'm not licking it. All right, I've killed it now, so there shouldn't be any voltage there. No, there is. Oh, it's dropping. They tightened the loose bolts and slapped my wrist. Ah, perfect. I've accidentally left that bit bridged. Oh no, I hope I haven't damaged it. Even when I took it out, do you reckon? Oh, come on, heat up. There we go. If it had load on the bulb, should it light up? Think so. Now check VCC on pin 1 of the power management IC. Hang on, let me try it again because I had that bit bridged. So let me try it again. Hold on. Check the big caps. Now the big... Oh, there you go. Still 166. And these FETs. Nothing there. 5.3 volts there. So these FETs are fine. Oh, shit. That made me jump. Jeez. Now have I killed it?
Oh no!
Oh, no, I think I might have killed it. Yeah, even my dim bulb light's not lighting up. I guess because it's already got charge in it. Yeah, let's wait for it to go down. That's probably why. See, that's why you need a series lamp. Good job you didn't have a load of IPA all over your bench. Let's wait for this to drain. Alright, we're dead. Here we go, ready? Yay. So that still lights up, but do we get voltage on here still? Yes. Okay, I didn't kill it Whoa, 100 odd volts. Why did that go up to 100 odd volts? That's crazy. Oh, I'm going to leave that bit alone because obviously that's fine now. Right, where the cap should be. I need a ground. Oh, God, that made me jump. My soldering iron. So where that cap should be. I don't understand it. Is this a negative? .8 volts. There you go. That's the negative. That's the negative. So I'm getting higher voltage on one side of the cap. And on the other side that the said cap was supposed to be, it's 4.8 volts. Why am I getting higher voltage on one side and then on the negative? Wait, what? I'm getting voltages on both sides of that where that cap's supposed to go. No, you were not getting voltage until you removed the cap. Identify hot ground should be a minus pin on the bridge rectifier. Yeah, that's kind of hard. The bridge rectifiers is kind of missing. Yeah, because... hang on. Let me turn it off. Was I not getting voltage on that cap before? I never tested it, though. That's the thing. I'm just gonna, because I left that bridged when I tried it the second time after removing the capacitor, but I've just undone the bridge, so let's see if it's fine. Just waiting for this to drain. Hot ground should be on the minus pin on the bridge rectifier. Yeah, the bridge rectifier is in 4 different diodes. It's not actual chip bridge rectifier. It's taking ages to drain as well. That is actually taking quite a long time. Okay, 12 volts is fine. I am going to see if it's still lighting up hot. Here we go. I can't measure things on this side. It's hard to get ground. It's all on the wrong side of the board. Let me get my thermal cam. Should be minus pin on the bridge. Yeah, I only see 4 diodes, which look like weird diodes. I've not seen them like that before. Why have they got an extra bit of plastic hanging off the edge of them? You can't really see what I'm on about, but if I show you quick. So there's my bridge rectifiers. There's one there. It's in series of like 4. Well, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why has it got that extra bit of black thing? I've never seen that one before. It's the only ones I could see on there. Oh, go away, door. I shouldn't expect anyone else now. I said I shouldn't expect anyone else now. Who's that? Oh, hold on, guys. I don't know who this is. Oh, okay. Thank you. All right. Okay, it's not for me. Did you? No, I left it on. We're still hot. Whoops. Just to look pretty. Oh, okay. No, that's naughty by me, Phil. Thank you. Very naughty of me. Oh, man, you can't. Still glowing hot. 81C. 91C. No. 85. So that made no difference. Unless it needs a proper decent working cap to lower the current. Now it's off. What's that? Why is the front door being detected again? Oh, ambulance. For God's sake. Scotch key diodes used in switch power supplies have ferrite beads. Right, that's what it is. Thank you, it's ferrite beads. I am at a loss for now. Well, that car needs to get his belt sorted. For that to get hot, it's drawing current. Yeah. One side will have voltage, the other side will be dragged down to a ground. That's what we need to find next. Yeah, but how come when I remove the resistor to separate the path, it's still... Actually, I haven't tried it without the resistor in. I didn't try it without the resistor in, did I? To see which side's drawing and which side isn't. But when I took it off, there's no short on either side. God, car. Measures voltage at solder joints where the old cap fits. I did. One side was reading really high, like in the hundreds, I think, and the other one was 4.8 volts, which it shouldn't be. One should be ground. All right, EDM Guru, you little shit. Oh, I didn't separate the old... Maybe they are supposed to be joint. Oh, yeah, they are. No, they're not. No, I didn't measure the old cap. I was measuring the wrong bit. Okay, so the old cap where it's supposed to be is actually here, which I didn't measure. So I'm going to measure that next. Silly me. So it should be positive and negative there. I didn't measure it in the right place. Which hose has power? Which one? Why am I hearing stuff? Oh, okay. It's just noises. Here we go. Ready? Ooh. Right, here we go. There and there. We're reading nothing. Oh. There's nothing. No voltage against the capacitor. Other way around? No, 0.000 volts. Andy loves his bulb. So that capacitor wasn't even bloody reading anyway. I do love my bulb. I just got to figure out how to use it properly. Measure the voltage, then the old cap has 25 volt cap, may be okay to fit. Measure the voltage, then at the old cap, as the 25 cap may be okay to fit. Yeah, there's no voltage going across it. There's literally 0 volts. I'll turn it on again. Ready? Boo! Oh, it still had power in it, but still. Yeah. This is where the old cap was. It's 0.010, 9. Why is it so low? Are you serious? Another customer. Copyright! Copyright! Hello, Swindon Electronic Repairs. Hi, yeah, speaking. Oh, yeah. Oh, very nice. Nice. Okay, is it not working or anything? Is it? Yeah. Yeah, I understand that. I won't be. Sorry, yeah, I won't be available until Thursday this week though, because I've got quite a lot of audio equipment here already, and I need to shift that out before I continue with more. But yeah, just whenever's best for you from Thursday onwards, just swing it round and I'll have a look. And if I find the fault, I'll get back to you with the cost of the repair and if you'd like me to go ahead with it or not. You're welcome. Yeah, that's spot on. Yeah, it's 54. Yeah, 54 is on the road. No, no worries. All right, thank you. Bye. Oh, another amplifier. What's going on with audio equipment? I've got too much. They're just so big and bulky. It's just covering my shelves. Is there a bridge or something on the other side? No, there's no bridge for rectifiers. Check MOSFET driver IC with oscilloscope. Can you unplug each time as the switch on tester is not double pole? Yes, Phil. Thank you. Unplugged. This PSU is self-oscillated and half-bridge topopathy. PWMIC must be powered on to begin switching. If there's no voltage on a VCC pin 1, you can't proceed further until you find the cause. Why does this wind me up so much? Yeah, thanks, Phil. Sorry, yeah. I didn't know if that's good enough because it's not fully bypassed. Or could I not do that? Maybe that's why it's not doing it. Do I need to turn it on fully to test it? Or is like this okay as it is? I don't know. I've already checked. I think I've already checked voltage on pin 1 on this IC though. And I don't think there is voltage getting to it. On pin 1. I could test it again. When the mains are still in and still switched off, the neutral and earth are connected. Got ya. I would use the bypass switch to test it. To fully test it. You reckon? But if that resistor's still getting hot anyway, bypassing it's probably not gonna. This one's well out of my depths. There's not even a schematic I could trace back to see. Oh yeah, that cap's not getting any voltage. Let me go. Well, look at the schematic, see what else it's connected to, or board views. For board views would be easier because I can't tell. Like it's just black markings everywhere. There's a diode there. Could it be a bad diode? No. Which I can't. Can I test that diode? It's so confusing. There and there. Okay, let me test this diode. You never know. There and there. 0.4. No, that diode's fine. And then where does it go? This transformer. Yeah, it goes into this thing. So if you were to test neutral to earth, you'll still get 240 AC, hence why you need to unplug. Thank you. Light bulb filament has resistance. Now guys, I can't do this one. It's not so obvious. Shame. Yes, you can. I don't know what to look for, EDM. It's so hard because all the components are hidden. If you turn it around, you're lost. How am I supposed to know what's failed without taking every single component off and testing them? So do you want me to measure pin 1 on this IC to see if we're getting voltage in? If not, then what? How am I supposed to know what feeds that? Where the enable, whatever it is, or the voltage in goes to? If one of those diodes on the bridge rectifier is bad, you may not see any voltage unless your multimeter has high sampling rates. Yeah, but usually if the bridge rectifier goes as well, don't it always blow your electrics? Follow the trace from pin 1. Oh man, that's so hard. Which it looks like it just goes to these things then. Is that the double diode things? I think it is. No, it's not. No, it goes to these MOSFETs. Right. Let me see if we're getting voltage then at pin 1 again. We'll go from there. If you unplug the main from the board, hold the board up, right? See the lights better. Yeah, I can see through it. I'll have a go. Let me just measure pin 1, because I think pin 1's the VCC. If I remember correctly, from the pin out somebody sent. Plugging it in. Watch my bulb glow momentarily. Boo! Anyway, here we go. Being really careful. Again, I can't find a decent ground. How can I find a ground on here? Unless I solder a wire to the negative pin. Oh yeah, pin 4. Oh yeah. I remember. Yeah, pin 4. Okay, let's go into the scope. Where is it? There it is. Now I've got to be super careful. Oh, can't even see the voltage. Hold on. Right, okay, here we go. I'll tell you what the voltage is. Being really careful. Pin 1. Yeah, we're not getting anything. 0.03. 0.03. So it's not getting power to that chip. So now you're telling me I've got to chase back. That's your culprit. So why is it not getting VCC in, or whatever it is? Right, I am unplugged, Phil, for your peace of mind. Switch, not switching. So now I've got to try and trace. So is it this diode here? That looks, pin 1 looks like it's connected to this. So is this failed? If not, it probably goes to that. Then it goes through this resistor and then probably into this FET. Amp, not amp. I know it's not amping. Now the fun starts. Does VCC come from MOSFETs? I assume it does. But the MOSFETs are not blown. Oh, hang on. Actually, no, it doesn't. Or does it? It's really hard to see. I'm going to have to use continuity and chase around the board. Let me see if these caps are drained yet first. Hold on. These caps okay. Yeah, we're at 7 volts. That's cool. Okay, let me unplug it from there. Start track tracing. Yeah, I'm going to have to use continuity to see where it's connected to. What? No, that's the MOSFET driver IC. Yeah. That's what I'm looking for, right? You switched it off before you measured it. I watched back. What? Are you sure? Yeah, but it couldn't have been because the caps were charged. You see, the caps were charged. They were at 7 volts and drop-in. What? Xammin disk drive repair. Can I put... so he wants me to do it now. Okay. The dim bulb test, you switch off cap resistor pin 1. I don't know. Apparently, I didn't have voltage going through it, so I've got to retest it. I'll check, see if we get in voltage to the actual board first before I continue. Oh, stressful. Okay. Right, is this... Okay, it's off, going in. Okay. We're on, okay? On. Voltage in AC. Just to test to see if we're getting voltage. Yep, 244 volts. Okay. Now, DC. Under here. Great, now it's in a funny, awkward position. Test it on the other side of the... Yeah, but it's so hard for me to figure it out. It's fine. I'm actually more safer up here. No, still the same Carthor. 0.050 and it's dropping. 0.044, 43, 42, 41. Okay, we're still dropping. Switch is off and unplugged. Cool. Now there's going to have voltage in it, so... Let's have a look at that voltage. Can you see it? Yeah. 50 odd volts. What's fist? Ank. Put a light behind board and see traces. Yeah, I'll try 2 seconds. I've got the PLD ring light. Shall I fire that up? Maybe you could take a photo of the board, print out color A4, A3. I only have black and white printer. But that is a good shout. That is a really good idea. Yeah, PLD ring light's going to be too much. That would work well. Should we give it a go? Let me try my phone first, because that might be overkill. Got another person phoning up. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's good enough. But there's literally a diode right next to it, so I can't even follow it where it goes. Let me zoom you in a bit. Use a GIMP photo for both side overlay and one transparent. Okay. GIMP. I used to use GIMP before I got Photoshop. Is GIMP still free? And isn't that on Linux? Pretty sure that was a Linux thing. Seems someone would have a schematic if they made a PCB. Did they make a PCB for it? Right, let me just try and continuity and just chase it. So does it go to this diode? Apparently not. Why not? So it's not even going to pin 1. How? Okay, let's look at the bottom. Pin 1 would be here, and it goes to there. Right. Oh no, pin 1's over here. Yeah. And then through that diode. So why wouldn't it measure it from above? Pin 1 to the diode. I don't understand that. GIMP is free for Windows. Oh, is it? Paint.net works too. On all OS pretty much. Oh, okay. I just remember using it on Linux when I was messing around with Linux before. Years ago. Is that a Zener diode? I don't think it is. It's just one of those fancy ones. If it will focus. There. So I thought that would be attached to that, because if I flip it round, remember it's on the bottom row, which when I flip it round, it would be the top row. So I flip it round. That's the top row now. And it's there to there. But I'm getting a reading from the bottom here, but at the top I'm not. Anyway, let's carry on. So getting it from there, which goes across to here, which there's no short on it, across that diode, which then goes to this little capacitor, which I replaced. So it goes to that cap, which I replaced that. Pretty sure that was a good reading one. And on the other side, it goes... Oh man, I've got more people. What's the component on the right of the tray side? Hold on. Why am I so busy? Are you about tonight about 6 p.m.? Hey, what's this for? I can't remember what he wants. Let's have a look. Sorry guys, hold on. Stick drift. Oh no, they both got issues. PS5 controllers both have issues with D-pads. Yeah, that's fine, mate. See you later. Business is booming. Sorry, yeah, I'm getting distracted. Did we test this? I did. It's still not set yet. Don't knock it. Busy, good. Busy. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Whoa. Hold on. So if the pins are covered on top side, then check for voltage on the underside. Yeah. Okay. That's a good shout. Look at the first stage of powering on. The IC must get voltage from the rectified 332 volt rail on those big caps. Now these caps are only 200 volts. I sent you a message on Discord. You can use Inkscape and draw traces, then you click anywhere on the trace. Jesus Christ. All right, thanks. 2 seconds to Julia, and I'll have a quick gander. Was it through DMs? Yeah, it was. You have a... I'll reply to you in a bit, Julian. They are in series. Look, add up to... Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Of course they are. Thank you. Didn't know that. Good shout. You're welcome. Right, what am I doing? I forgot where I was at. I was chasing around. Or did you want me to measure voltage from underneath? From pin 1 and 4? Which is going to be more riskier for me because I'm going to be stabbing around to other pads. You want me to test between 1 and 4? But I'm sure that makes no difference to me testing it from above 1 and 4. Or do you just want me to carry on chasing where else it goes? Because it goes through that diode. And after that diode, it goes through... I don't know. It looks like nothing. Oh. Oh, it goes to the other side of the chip. Oh, that one must be ground then. Oh, no. Oh. Wait. Goes through the diode, but it also goes through the cap. But if it goes through the diode, is this all ground? Alright, thanks, Pab. Do you have mini clips? Mini clips? No. What's the chip's number? You can see I've changed the 2 capacitors there. All right, let's have a look. The chip's number is R2153D. 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 Okay, so anyway, this one goes through this, then it goes through this, I think, or on the same rail as, through that, down to this capacitor. You can see like it goes, I'm assuming, and then it doesn't go out of the capacitor there, and that's where it goes. That's all where it goes. But on the other side, oh god, so blurry. On the other side, if we follow it, instead of going through that diode, we follow it down here. It goes through that capacitor, which I've replaced. I still need to clean it up. Through here. What's this bit? What have I messed with that bit? Oh, then it goes to that other cap right near the resistor. Yeah, this is where the glowing resistor is. Because I think that big resistor's limiting it from going through to the chip. Is that bridged? Nah, it's on the same rail, same as that. So yeah, this resistor is here and here. That's that big resistor. Oh, okay, so it's probably going through there, through this resistor, to one of these MOSFETs. There you go, that's one of the FETs there. So is this failed and it's causing too much stuff going through there? Oh, you guys can't really see what I'm seeing. I really wish you could. The pin 1 through this little capacitor, smoothing cap, I guess. Then it goes through this big chunky resistor, which gets super hot. And then this is attached to one of the MOSFETs. And also to whatever's here. Oh, the big capacitor. This is the huge cap. It's one of those MOSFETs bad. I haven't taken them out. Maybe I should take them out and test them rather than just checking for shorts across it. You reckon I should do that? You don't see R2135D? Yeah, alright, multimeter, I get it. Let's have a look. R2153D. Great, I'm connected to Wi-Fi. I have cooked a lot of MOSFETs. I think maybe I should take out this one then. Because it seems to be attached to this huge resistor anyway. What are you wowing for? Hang on, I've got to disconnect my Wi-Fi. Yep, alright, thanks for thumbs up. No, it's not loading. Wow, it's getting hot. Yeah, I see it on here. Oh, wait, what? Oscillating half bridge driver. Yeah, I've got it here. Yeah, I see it. £4.91 in the UK. That's good. I'm actually getting really hot. New, yeah. Integrated circuit DIP 8. The best. Yeah. Yeah, I can see it on Google. What are you wowing for? Oh yeah, let me take out this MOSFET just to give it a test. So how come they have little, whatchamacalls it, separation middle bit? Yeah, you could post it. What, for the MOSFET? Let me take that out. That's the only thing I could think of. Wait, which side was it? It was this side. Why does that look really pixelated? Is it really pixelated for you guys as well or not? Don't think I could get that in there. No. This might be an issue. Yeah. Oh, got it. so it wouldn't short the body of the MOSFETs to the heatsink. Ooh. Oh, wait, what? I could have just undone the nut. Oh, wow. Okay, that's separated. Yes, desolder the IC and see if the resistor still glows. You reckon? Rather than testing the MOSFET. Hello, Blue. Good afternoon. Good morning to you, sir. That's a good idea. The annoying thing is, it's 8-legged freak. All right, I'll do it. I didn't realize what the time is. Looks like I'll be working late today. I might as well get that PS5 done as well tomorrow. Today. So, where's the 8-legged freak? There it is. Oh, yay. Obsolete. Oh, okay. No, I appreciate all you guys' input, by the way. I may get snappy and whatnot, but I do appreciate every one of yours. All of yours, even the people that are watching. The whole 49 of yours is just updated. Wait, what? Monzo. Tracy requested £100. I just sent her 150 yesterday. What for? I sent her 50 today, 150 yesterday. No, Friday that was. 20 quid yesterday. Jesus. I wish you'd even tell me why. It doesn't have a reference. Anyway, women are expensive. Okay, well, she could have it. She might be. Why? Trace? Why? Shopping. Okay. Monster, please. Monster, please. Right. No, thank you. I don't want takeaway. No, thank you. Yeah, I will do. Monster, please. I love you. All right. Keep trying. Sugar free, please. Make sure the stop start works. Remember, it's got to be at engine temperature. Operating to. Yeah, the engine still might be warm from earlier. The engine might still be warm from earlier. All right, I love you forever and always. Forever and always. I don't even need to add leaded to this. Wait, do you need to add leaded to that? Monster, make it 150, lol. Yeah. Is that ink showing? Is that link showing? No, you can't post links. It's a YouTube thing. Now why is my phone going off? I can't deal with this anymore. We've got your AliExpress parcel. Okay. Alright, let me get my solder sucker. Alright, it's a lot of blob mess here at the minute, but damn it. What? Are they supposed to be bridged? No. This is okay. This one isn't. It's okay. I'm doing it for desoldering purposes. Chill, my brother. I'll go over it with my soldering iron as well. What's that in the middle? Silver line. Also check the capacitor from pin 1 to ground. Okay, thank you. Okay, I think now. What's that one from? If that's underneath the chip? That odd leg. Am I seeing this right or not? There's a... What's this? It's an odd leg from underneath the chip. Is there something hiding under it? There, you unbridged it. Yeah, I know, I unbridged it on purpose, but... The jumper... Anyway, let me carry on desoldering. I mean, that one's definitely unsoldered. It's a wire jumper. Oh. What, to move power from somewhere else? Connecting pin 1 to 7 to the right. Oh. You can resolder J3. What are you on about? I bet you're just pulling my leg. Okay, that's desoldered. That's what that chip is. J3. Chip J3. Oh my god. Use some small silicone tube on that solder sucker. I don't think I can get it for this. It's got quite a big circumference, if you know what I mean. Look, it's quite big. It's not small like the other ones. J3 is an... Oh, jumper 3.
I've got a really small one.
Have you? Yeah, I'll resolder it after. There's no rush in it at the minute. Did I put some flux up here? Can't remember if I did. That's terrible. I think that might be good enough, you know.
Oh no!
What are you all knowing for? Do you want me to solder J3 back? It just got sucked up by the solder sucker. Okay? Happy? Alright, let's see if these pins are loose. Small. That's loose. That's loose. That's loose. That's loose. That's loose. That's loose, loose, and loose. Okay, so the pin, they should just pull out now. But they've glued it to the side of that bloody thing. What's this horrible glue? It better separate, I swear, not damage it. Stop retracting messages, Carthor. You should know better. How long have you been watching me for? Oh, God, come on. Don't damage it. Yeah, Carthor. There we go, we're out. Whoops. Come on. Why is it playing silly buggers? You are literally out. There you go. Okay. Oh yeah, there's the jumper look. Cool. I knew that. I know. Remember to solder J3. I've done that already, Carthor. J3 is this one. It's soldered back. And everything there looks fine. And now I can start it up, yeah? We are still missing that cap. Shall I put that capacitor back in or not worry about that yet? Yo, 8-bit Crayus. Everything's glued epoxy to the board. They will stick. Yeah. All right, let's try it like that then. Don't worry about that little capacitor. And see if it still gets hot. What you say basically, if it does get hot, it's this chip here that's failed. Hey, is this really that smart? Do you reckon I could shove that in there like that? Would that work? No. Not a very good component tester then, is it? Just wondering. You can't test that icy bugger. Okay, here we go. Let's put in voltage into it again. So I'm gonna make some room. Going 250 volts, 240 volts. Okay. I think that's okay like that. Let's move my probes, keep them well away. Let's zoom out a little bit for you guys. Is it pixelated for you guys or not? Could you please answer that? Because I don't know. It looks pixelated on my OBS. Until I zoom out, of course. No, it's not pixelated. Here's my bulb tester. No. Oh, okay. It looks really bad on my monitor. Right, here we go. Plug in my dim bulb in. Now, do I go full beams or just leave it? I'll leave it as it is. Right. Right, okay, we're in. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Is that piece missing off that chip? Okay. Now, let's just get my thermal cam out quick. Hopefully it's not heating up. Let's load in. And still heated up. But it's only at 50C. It's not as hot. It's only at 50. Oh no, it's going up to 60. That's better than 80. 62. 63. 64. It's still getting quite hot though. No, it's getting hotter. 73 degrees. Surely it shouldn't be that hot. This one down here is only 43. 76 degrees. Nah, it's still not sorted it. I'm back. Well, I've taken out the main chip then, and it's still the same. 70 degrees. That resistor is getting. Replace the 2 large caps. Are smoother capacitors after rectifier bridge. Measure pin 1 voltage. I have to flip the board for that. I can't replace them, Pabs. I don't have any on hand. I could test them, see if they're okay. All right, hold on. Let me flip the board around. Yeah, sorry, Pabs. I would if I could. I mean, damn, that's so hot in here. 19 degrees. Board grounds through pads when screwed down. Board grounds through pads when screwed down. So you're saying it needs to be screwed down into the board because you've got this thing here because it's ground. Same with that. Is that what you're saying, Anchor? Something after the resistor. Yeah, but which direction is after? I still think it might be that MOSFET. Yes. Okay, I'll try that. I'll quickly mount it back. But surely if it wasn't ground, it wouldn't turn on at all. It's just an extra piece of ground. Just jump it? What do you mean jump it? You're still plugged in? No, I'm not. I've disconnected. It's going through my dim bulb tester, but it's unplugged. If it's the startup resistor and if big if, then it's not supposed to be glowing at all. Mount or jumper wire. I'll mount it. more safer that way. Right, next was to measure voltage at... Wait, Phil, did you still want me to measure the voltage at pin 1? Because I'll do that. Can I do that now while the board's got to be flipped? I don't know, but yeah, you're right. It looks like it does need to be mounted for ground. Damn it. What are the ring markings on the hot resistor? It's 100K. It was, I believe, brown, black, orange. Where was it? Yeah. Damn it, I think I used the microscope last time. Really hard to see. Brown. Looking at the top there, look. It wasn't red. We established that was brown. So it goes brown, black, orange. How are you going to fix it mounted? Just want to... I don't know. I was told that it needs to be ground and it needs to be screwed down to the body. Anchor, what did you say? How's the repair going, Juice? Not too good. I mean, it's okay. We're slowly going through things, but I'm getting thrown different things at the minute. No. So it doesn't need to be put into ground. Okay, I'll take it back out then. The model is DX-2. DX-2. Never late, always comes in juiced in time. Right, so you want me to measure pin 1, although it won't have anything with the IC out anyway. Why would it have... I've lost the IC. Oh, there it is. So where is it? It's this end. So pin 1 would be this row now. Over here. That would be pin 1. Yes. That big one there. Pin 1 and pin 4. Yeah, it's a Wolferdale. Yeah, that's it, Kyle. What are you saying about the MOSFET? I will test the MOSFET next. I'm checking. That's VCC for the IC. Should be 9 volt. Yes, and I think maybe the MOSFET's what allows it to go through. I'm just thinking. I'm just guessing. Let me test it. It's not getting any voltage. It was 0 volts. So me taking the IC out is not going to change anything. Okay, ready? Boop. Okay, we got power. You can see my DMM in voltage DC 1 and 9. There you go. So you've got nothing. 1 and 4, I meant. Oh, 14 volts. Eh? Then nothing. What? Then 14 volts. Oh. Why am I getting 14 volts now? I wasn't getting that before, was it? $10 volts to 15.6. But that still don't explain why the resistor's getting hot. You're grounded now. I wasn't grounded before, was I? I mean, I was. Generator 15.6 is generated. Okay, because you have a 15 volt Zener there. Okay, so maybe if I put this chip back in, and if I lose voltage again, then it's confirmed this chip, right? Surely, maybe that resistor is supposed to be hot like that. No, you're not grounded now. IC is somewhat shorted. 1 to 4 is why you lose voltage. What's the resistor number on the silk screen? What resistor? The hot resistor. I'll put the chip in a second. Hold on, let me just check these caps, see if it's drained. Yeah, we're drained now. Good. It says Ben R1. Nice and easy. Am I measuring the correct one? Yeah. Oh, no, I wasn't. Damn it, I wasn't testing the right one. Oh, stupid board flip. I should have been measuring the top ones. Was I measuring the top ones or the bottom ones? Oh, fuck, my. This is confusing the hell out of me. It should be the bottom ones. Yeah, the bottom ones. Yeah, which I tested. Yeah. Let me put it back in and let's see what's going on. A lot of the circuit is grounded through those traces on the pads. It's where the square pad is usually pin 1. Thank you. Yeah, I was measuring it the correct one. It was just because I spanned the board since and it's confused me. Now I've got to try and get this stupid 8-legged freak back in. Whose idea was it to take this out? Oh shits. Can't see what I'm doing. That's so hard. Nothing happened. I've got voltage back at pin 1 when I take the chip out, so I'm putting the chip back in, seeing if it disappears. But I can't find the holes. Okay, I think I've got 2 in. Yeah, the other one's just so crusty, I can't see what I'm doing. Where's the hole? Ah, there you go. I'm in. Got it. Right. There you go. Chip's back in. With the IC in, that voltage should now drop to around 9 volts. And if it doesn't, potential bad chip. Trying to get it so I could focus it for you guys. That is kind of hard to do. There. Sorry about the angle. It's not the easiest board to stay flat. Let me stick my finger under it. Yeah, I need to stick my finger under it. Yeah, pin 1's the square one then, which I've measured it at the bottom. Alright, I'm not taking this chip out again. You reckon it's a bad IC? We'll see, won't we? If it doesn't draw voltage again, then it is that. Come on, iron, heat up. I missed the bloody hole. Okay. Dong. I haven't used my fume extractor once today. What's out for delivery? Yay! AliExpress is out for delivery. That could be that gaming chair thing. Said to the guy it's going to be in a couple more days. Yay! Get that on my face as well. Right, here we go. Let me clean it up. Make sure it's dry before turning on any voltage. If no voltage, Sylvia is right about short between 1 and 4. Yeah, but there wasn't a short, unless it's a partial short. You want a schematic? I can email them to you for data. Schematics for, is it just for the chip or is it for the whole board? And you wonder why you get headaches. I know this does hurt your brain a lot. There's so much thinking. Right, okay, that's fine. Just gotta wait for it to dry. Hey. Chip right now. I will search for the board. Oh, okay. Yikes. I am going to have to see you if I keep doing that. What do you keep doing, cows? And you wonder what you're doing. Chip right now. Chip right now. Okay, thank you. Example usage with MOSFETs. I was talking about the fume extractor. Oh, and you wonder why you get headaches because of the fume extractor. Yeah. Well, it's only today I haven't used it. And I've not really been soldering much today, have I, really? Right, here we go, guys. Moment of the truth there. Making everything's clear. That's metal, so let me move that. Going to voltage DC, plugging it in. Wait, that is DC voltage. Of course it is. Right, here we go. Ready? Watch the bulb. Boo! Okay, here we go. 1 and 4. 9 volts. Why are we getting voltage now? We're getting 9 volts. Okay. Let me flip the board over and let me test it from above. Bulb. Let me test it from above this time. Why have I suddenly got 9 volts coming through? I swear it was dead. This one. Well, that capacitor's drained quick. Oh no, there you go. Was there bad joints? Magic fix? I don't know. I'm going to measure it from above, and if we get voltage from above, then yeah, I guess it might be fixed. I need to put the original capacitor back in, so I've still got that taken out. That's still not in there yet. It's the first time measuring from below. Oh yeah, true. Oh yeah, the yellow film. It could have been coated it. Yeah, it could have coated it. Might be fixed. It might, but Nick might be right because I was measuring it from above. I had that glue on it, and it might have not pierced through the glue. Well, that's kind of annoying. This so chasing the duck's ass. I mean, don't know why I said that. We're on 6 volts. That's fine. You little shit. Let me measure it from above first, GT Auto. Then I'll check, see if the heat's still there, and then I'll put the other cap in there and see what happens. Okay, plug in the dim bulb tester. We all love this. Well, I do anyway. I don't know how this is protecting me right now. What's the expected output voltage of this board? Do you know what? I actually don't know, but I don't get anything. Well, I didn't get anything. Boom! How is that protecting me? It's still got full voltage going through it. I don't understand. Or if there's a short, will it then go to the bulb? Because that's what's going to happen. It's not protecting you. It's protecting the device under test? The DUT. Okay. Okay, so basically if that shorts, it'll go to the bulb, right? It's protecting the circuit if there's a short. Cool. So if I accidentally cross something and it draws too much amps, it goes to the bulb. I don't know. But anyway, just need a yes or a no, or not quite. I'll read up in a sec. Right, here we go. Pins 1 and 4. Nah, we're getting it now. Right, let's check under heat. Let's check the heat. Where's my... It's protected. Yeah, I read that. Careful, the heatsink might carry a lot of power. Oh, yeah, I heard about that as well. Thank you. I never thought of that. But no fuse trip, all safe. No, we're still getting hot. So that IC was probably fine all along. 82 degrees. 83 degrees. No, still something wrong. Now can I check that FET? There's 2 of them that's getting hot, but the other one's only... Well, that's 50 degrees now. Yes. Replace the electrolytic cap on pin 1. I've done that already. Electrorep. I know you've probably looked it up online. That's okay to get hot. I've already replaced C1. Just waiting for the caps to drain themselves. Yeah, that's got a replacement cap in it. I've tested the other capacitors. The only one that's not right is this one, which I've not put back in yet. Don't know if that's going to make any difference. I wouldn't have thought so. You haven't been watching from the start? No, that's right. This is from yesterday, Electrorep. It's fine. No, it's cool. I was even reading up on it yesterday and I took screenshots. I'm going to try and check this. You can't run the circuit with a cap missing most of the times. So you want me to put it back in? Power supply using IR search this. All right, thank you. I will do. Got to be MOSFETs then, right? Well, that's the only thing that's connected to that resistor or near to it. Then look at images. Is that going to help me though, Anchor? That's what I'm a bit. Yeah, I think the double diode output are okay. I've tested them for shorts and in diode mode from the middle outwards, and they read fine. Better to have it there than not having it, even though it's a bit okay. Well, let me put it back in then. And clear the holes. Now it's getting cold in here again. Wow, that temperature dropped quick. Shows the circuit you're working on. Oh. I'll Google it in 2 seconds. Let me just get this cap in and I'll have a look. Heating's kicking back in. That's one leg. Where's the other leg? Oh, this is so annoying. I might have bent these legs testing them. I think I have. Maybe I'll push it out a little bit more. Not sure if it'll help me. Do you say it's a schematic or is it pictures? I just need to see what else this resistor is connected to, if it is connected to this FET. Oh my god, I need skinnier fingers. I think I'm in. Am I in? No. Yay, I'm in. Yeah, mini lady fingers, tweezers. I've got it. I've got it. Shit, I've lost it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I'm checking them now, mate. Checking the MOSFETs now. Thank you. Solder squeak. Oh, you actually heard that? Alright, I'll check this one first. Can I heat 3 in a row? Well, I've got to use my fume extractor now. It's getting a bit too much. Should check the oscillator's timing capacitor on pin 3. Okay. Did you check? Yeah, I did. C11. Yeah, I've tested that. Can't even remember where C11 was. I think that might be the one I've got, well, just put in. Yeah, that's C10. Yeah, where is C11? C12, C1. Oh, C11, yeah. Yeah, I've checked that already. Taking it out too. That's the one that's right next to the resistor. Alright, let's try this. In 2, 3, and 1. That'll do. Please. Say PNP. Yeah, it's an NEMOS. So that one's okay. Bugger. What does NE mean? Oh, man. N channel enhancement. Oh, yeah. Thank you. I think I've got some of them in stock. How far out of spec is that one you soldered back on? Point. Oh, for fuck's sake! I just pushed it back out again. It was 0.8 out of spec. 0.8 ESR. Instead of it being worst case scenario 1.1 ohms, it was reading at 1.8, 1.9. Getting more than 10? No, Kai, I'm not getting more than. With the chip in, it gets pulled down, I think, or something, because it goes down to 8 point something volts. Damn it. Okay, I'm not going to make the same mistake. That's unbridged. Oh, that's really hot. Dropping the voltage is normal, yeah. I haven't actually checked to see if it has got any output on the DC side. Come on, why can I not unbridge this? There you go. That's unbridged. Seriously, who's this guy? I don't know what's got. Oh yeah, it's that guy. I know who he is. 2 seconds, buddy. I'm on my way. I actually don't like being this busy. I don't know what's happened. Why is it just suddenly picked up? Absolutely crazy. I'll put them there. I'm back. Well, Chat and Andy, I'm going to go back to work on my Christmas tree and finish cleaning carpet. Whoop. Talk to you a bit later. Have a great day. Thank you, Ank. Appreciate it, mate. Everything I appreciate. Thank you. I am back. Did you test C11 ESR? Was it less than 1 ohm? Do you know what? I actually can't remember. I think it might have been. Should check the oscillator timer capacitor on pin 3. Yeah, you said that, Ben. 2 seconds. I'll do that now. I've just putting this MOSFET back. I think I could screw that back in. Because that's obviously fine. The other one's going to be fine. Just put that nut back on. Why don't that go all the way through? I mean, it's through, but it's not through. Does it need to screw in? Can that reach? Oh, yeah, there you go. I don't like this white paste. Oscillating timing. Check the oscillator timing on capacitor. Timing capacitor on pin 3. I don't see that capacitor. Unless you're on about this little cap, I've already replaced it. But pin 3's timing capacitor. this green thing needs around 15 volts to turn on. The fact that pin 1 is voltage is below 10 volts is why nothing's turning on. It's really hard to see the board. Pin 3. Let me have a look on pin 3. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and they're so linked up, so close to each other. You've got the resistor there, transistor there. And what's this thing? No, that's not it. This one? Yeah, it could be that. If that's what you're referring to, but that's on pin. That's on pin 3, yeah. Could be that that thing you're looking at. Yeah, Electro Rep said it should be 9 volts before I even measured it. Literally, before I even got 9 volts, he said it should drop down to 9 volts, and it was. The other MOSFET or may not be good. Can't assume anything without testing first. That's even harder to get to. Oh, no. Do I test the other FET then? But we're moving further away from this resistor. Can I see the chip brand? Looks like I'll be doing the PS5 and the controllers tomorrow. And the CD player. Don't know what that is. INR? Is that the brand? IR? Oof. What? Oh, my neck started to go. Oh, I've got to stretch it out. Oh, do I check the other MOSFET? International rectifier. It's not the chip. The chip is fine. Oh. Oh no, yeah, I've checked that one. That, look, see that one goes straight to the resistor. Do you see that brown trace from the middle straight to the resistor? But we know that that's fine because I've tested it. So or it goes down to this diode, which is part of the bridge rectifier. Yeah. It goes to one of the bridge rectifier bits. I can see it a bit more now, the tracks. It won't be a bad diode here, will it? Nah. Because it goes straight from that resistor. So maybe it's after, not before. It's after this where somewhere. It's not that cap, but although I can't remember what the ESR reading is. It's also part of these resistors, but these don't get hot. Is it this little thing? Or even maybe this little bit here. Other MOSFET could be stuck on. You want me to check the other MOSFET? Killing PWM to the transformer. So you really want me to check the other MOSFET? Okay. Damn, this one's glued on. There you go. Oh, I'm getting called again. Copyright. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Babe, there's not a specific time you have to be there, otherwise you're not gonna get a job. But yeah, okay. Yeah, I know. Alright. Okay, I'm still streaming, so just let me know when you're ready. I love you forever and always. Bye. Okay. No, that's fine as well. Under voltage lockout threshold is around 9 volts, so it won't turn on. I've got to help the missus bring in some shopping when she calls me again. They said the fault condition was 8 or 9 volt after fixing was 14.6, caused by bad capacitor, and was heating the resistor R1. Ben, if that is the case, then do you reckon it is that one capacitor that's completely out of ESR, which is causing... Check the green cap next to C11 and the green cap next to C11. This little thing. Or you're on about not the end, not this one, right? That's the... Not that. You're on about this little thing down the bottom there. Yeah, so I must be less than 1. Yeah, see, I can't remember what that one was now next to that capacitor. Yep, all right, let me... Okay, fair play, Kyle. Well done, mate. As well as Ben, thank you. Saying that it's actually is supposed to be 15 volts. Because when I took the chip off, it was... So why is it being pulled down to 9 volts then? I don't fucking know. That's a negative temperature coefficient resistor. That's thermistor, yeah, thank you. That's what the NCT stands for, is it? Negative temperature coefficient. Nice. Appreciate that, Alex. Let's see. Check the amplifier IC. This is just the power supply IC. It won't be on the amplifier board. The amplifier board's on this side, I assume. Yeah, there they are. Okay, that's this sort of in. So you want me to check the green cap. Should I recheck the C11 as well then, considering it's right next to that resistor? I suppose I could take both out again. It's just a pain in the ass. Verify, yeah, less than 1 ohm. Okay, let's undo C11 again. Oh, I think the missus is back. I could hear the brum brum. Okay, so this is C11. This is 220 UF, 25 volts. ESR reading at what? Shut up. I thought I tested it. Can you hear the brum brum? Yeah. Don't say this. The whole time it was this. 28 picofarad. I'm going to lose the plot. I swear I measured it. I know you did, Ben, and I swear I tested it. I swear I tested it. Or maybe I just saw it said capacitor and assumed it was fine. I didn't bother reading the rest. That's a very bad cap. 29 picofarads and no ESR reading or anything. Oh, what a... Right, hang on, guys. I'll be back. Let's go out with the shopping.
And he's the best. Oh no!
Pissed off to the max. Don't bloody believe that. Just been ranting to it to the missus. Thanks to Kyle for telling me to check it again. Back. Can you send me a link to that machine tester? It was actually on Amazon. Yeah. Guys, I don't believe that. Why? I swear I tested it. I want to buy it. It's actually pretty good for the price. Let me get it on my PC so I can put it in the chat for you. Bear with me. You could get it cheaper on AliExpress, but I got it from Amazon because I needed it ASAP because I was recapping something. But actually, I'm pretty happy with it. People say it's not accurate, but you don't really need it to be super accurate. So annoyed. So annoyed. Oh man, I can't log in on Amazon. I needed the missus to accept it. Alright, I'll do it from my phone. Oh, I've lost my chat. What the fuck? God's sake. So now I hope I've got the correct one. Here we go. Replace it anyway, even if in doubt. Oh, 100%. I'm going to replace it. Don't worry. Can you short the leads on that cap and test it on the Fluke? Can I short the leads on that cap and test it on the Fluke? I don't know what you mean, but how do I do that, Joe? How much should I pay for it? Oh, it's currently unavailable. I'm sorry, you can't buy it anymore. I just typed in ESR meter. ESR meter. Oh no, they don't sell it on there anymore. You'll have to just look on AliExpress. They're all the same. Damn it. What? Oh, Aaron, what's up? Short to discharge it. Hang on. To make sure there's no voltage left in the cap. All right, okay. So instead of using that, you want me to actually... All right, I'll discharge it. I see what you mean. Okay, yeah, discharge. And then check on my Fluke. You're right, Aaron. How are you? But use the... Yeah. I'm going to use the Fluke. Okay. All right, capacitance. Can you see that? Just about. Give it a second to catch up with itself. That should have detected it by now. Oh, I'm not getting anything. I'm using the fluke. No. I can find it on Amazon if I search for transistor tester. Oh, okay. Bad cap. Yeah, it's not even registering anything. Wow, I don't believe it, guys. Let me try it in diode. I mean, resistance. No, it's not actually like that. Don't say that, because I've spent so long on this thing and it was just that cap all along. What's this message? Hey, pal, am I able to pick up tomorrow? Yeah, man. Yeah, that's cool, man. Unless he killed it while troubleshooting. It's because you shaved your head, Andrew. C11 gets damaged from the resistor next to it. That gets hot. Stop wasting time, replace it. The cap is... I haven't got any 35 volt caps. Oh no, this is 25 volts. 220, 25 volts. Okay, I've got them. 220. 220, 25 volts. Wait, what's going on here? Why is there a bit missing? 220, 25 volts. Quickly test it, see if it's low ESR and read good. There will be some in the box. Oh, would it? The ESR 0, 220 UF almost, so that's a good cap. All right, thanks. Oh, Phil. So let me quickly get it in there and see if it works. Oh, what? Oh, what? Let me quickly suck it up and put it far away from the resistor. Excellent. You can always go higher voltage. Oh, yeah, I know, yeah. But I don't have anything higher than 25 volts, I thought. I didn't think I had 30 volt. What? You can... Wait, what did you say? Oh, that's... What did you say? Now the cap is out of circuit. Does the resistor still get hot? Oh. Oh, okay. Yes. Let's try that. All right, let me tidy up a bit first, because this is very dodgy. Playing with high voltage. I love high voltage stuff like this. I don't know why. Okay. How am I gonna... Right, that's plugged in. We okay like that? Yeah. Going in. Powering on the bulb. Watch this. Boo! Thermal cam. Don't bother. That resistor works hot anyway. Yeah, but like, yeah, it's still really hot. Oh no, it's not as hot now. 42 degrees. There you go. Before it was reaching 80. 50 degrees, if that now. 50. And that's the same with that one down there. Oh no, that one's slightly cooler at 30 degrees. 56. 58. Nah, it's still climbing up. 60 degrees.
Oh no!
62, 63. Anyway, it was a bad cap. Let me replace it. See what happens. Pin 1 voltage now. Oh yeah, okay. Try that as well then. Power back into it. Pin 1 voltage. You see that? Is the Zener that draws the current? Is the Zener that... I don't know. Pin 1. No, back to 0 again. I'm not getting a reading on there again. Why am I not getting a reading again? Oh, yes, I am. I think it said 9 volts still. Still 9 volts. Put the cap in. Xena, bloody accent. Zener, whatever. Don't care. Yeah, I've got it. It's still 9 volts, but that's without the capacitor in. All right, let's go wait for that to drain out a bit. Zener. Oh, I say Xena diode. No cap. Yeah, no cap, no worky. It's basically acting like the bad capacitor here because it's been taken out. I know. All right. Has this been drained enough? Voltage. Wait, there is this one. 21 volts. Still there. Still a bit of power in there still. Let me get rid of this voltage. Sorry. Where is it? These two. Okay. Check the green cap next to it of circuit 2. They're both in parallel. See if the same abuse. Okay. Good shout. That little cap there. I believe it's these two. Ow, it's burning my fingers. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Bernie, it's coming out. Zener. Is it? So it's not even Zener. It is Zener then. 3 and 3 doesn't work. 2 and 2 doesn't. Oh man, I'm gonna have to bend the legs. I hate bending the legs. It's hard to get back in. Anyway. Okay, here we go. A 100 picofarad. 1,008 picofarad. I have no idea what rating this is supposed to be. I say it correctly. Z is American. Yeah, Z is us. So Xena diode. I suppose reading on that says 2A1. Can't even read what that says. 2A102J. Reverse the connections. What do you mean by that? I'm assuming that's fine because that's reading like a specific number. It's 1,008. 1 nanofarad. 1,000 picofarads is a nanofarad. So that's probably fine then. Thank you. Great. Tweezers is 1 nanofarad. Okay, thank you. Oh, now I've got to spread the legs. Wait for my iron to heat up. Whoa. I'm an idiot. This is the MOSFET.
And he's the best.
No, I'm not the best. I forgot to clear the bridge.
Oh no!
Oh. Oops. Well, nothing's changed anyway. No, don't out of focus. Why am I having a hard time clearing it out? Clear the bloody bridge, man. Solder wick. Not enough of that. That cry is crazy. Yeah, I was supposed to copy it from another meme, and nobody liked the meme, Aaron. So I recreated it, and it got clipped. Oh, what's that now? Is that front door? Ricochet. Oh, is that Discord? Yeah, it is. What? PS5 controller fix. Hi, Andy. Oh my god, it's someone else. Okay, that's unbridged now. Let's get that capacitor in, see what's going on. It didn't start up. No, it didn't start up, so it was okay. I don't think it actually done anything. If it's the low side effect, then it's okay. Yeah, I think it was safe. There it is. I cleared the holes, negative and the negative. Please work. If it was this all along, guys, seriously, I'm not going to stream for a week. Because that's how stressful it's been. It feels like a week's worth already. Please always check the resistance of that cap. Oh, I've already checked that in the last stream. Yesterday's stream. It was 1,000 kilo. Did you promise? No? Did I promise? Okay, cool. Yeah, I did check it. I think it was 1,000 kilo ohm. Right, new cap. Remember, we still have one cap that's out of spec. It should be 100 kilo ohm. Did I say that? I think I said 100 kilo ohm anyway. Oh, and also that. Yeah, we did measure it. I think it was fine. Do you... Oh, I read that already. Focus now. I know. I'm focusing. I'm focusing. Here we go. Is it going to work? What? No. This is broken. I didn't finish. What? Nick? What, Nick? Look, scene. What? What? Do you promise? Do I promise what? That I won't just distracting you to shit. I haven't even soldered this thing on properly. This capacitor. Look at that. I remember that's broken from its pad. I knew that. This capacitor's floating high. Hold on. I am going to have to glue it somehow. Go away. Who's messaging me? We're getting closer. I know. Slowly but surely. Don't go out of focus. It's because I'm using the manual focus on the actual scope instead of the arm itself, and it doesn't like being touched. Okay, we're good now. We're good. Okay, I believe we're okay now. All working. I bet you a switch repair. So, Julian, is it data recovery then, basically? If that's the case, I could do an APU swap, APU NAND swap on another board. I have got working board, so it'll literally just be a straight APU NAND swap. You know why there's glue in there, don't you? Yeah, to make it look pretty. No, it's to prevent vibrations and the components becoming loose and stuff like this instant. Like, I've got to glue this down somehow. I'll use either epoxy or I'll find some other glue. Board turns on sometimes. Why sometimes? That's so weird. How often sometimes? APU swap? Yeah, on a switch. APU NAND swap. UV glue. I could use UV glue, but that's a lot of glue I've got to use to hold that cap down. Okay, here we go. 240 volts being plugged in. Okay. How am I going to test it normally? I guess output voltage here. Right, here we go. Plug in my dim bulb tester. Because sometimes it doesn't. If I knew, I would tell you. Have you? Okay. Have you not got it? Have you got it on you? Have you got it already, ElectroWrap? Try tongue. No, piss off. Okay, so is it fixed? Let me check output voltage. Should have just connected it straight to the amp board, but hey, I don't know which one's which. 58, yes! Yes! Oh my god! Yes! It's fixed! No way! Let's turn that off. Unplugged. We didn't get any output voltage. Oh, all along it was that fucking cap. I hate that. I could cry. I'm not going to cry. I don't believe it. How many hours? Hang on. Wait for that to discharge itself, because it might take longer to discharge now. Oh, yeah, cry. Yes, nice find, Ben. Thank you. Again. And Kyle, both of yous. All of yous, you lied. Why? I'm not streaming now. I'm not streaming for years. No, I'm not
I've
going to.
got a really small one.
Easy fix. What it costs? 30p? Shut up, 8-bit. I don't know how hot that is still, so let me quickly measure the cap. I don't freaking believe it. Somebody's getting paid. Yeah, well, it's 4 volts now. Okay, we're safe. Let's get it on the board and see if we get a light. That's not without full. Yeah, it was the bypass switch. I don't keep going on about that stupid bypass switch. Does it even need to be on? I still can't get my head around that bypass switch. Like, what's the purpose of it? If it's gonna get full power anyway. Earned you Dominoes today, Andy. Yeah, I did. You don't know how long I've been on this. Thanks, guys. I said to you I can't do this. This is out of my depth, and you guys carried on pushing me. I'm still getting excited, although it's not even fully tested. I haven't even seen if we've got a light, but we've got output voltage to the power board now. I have it plugged in and charged, and display it on with the charging sign. Press the on button, and the Nintendo goes on and off. Oh. Yeah, that's usually corrupted NAND. ElectroWrap. Or it can be what else was it? What else caused that? Where it goes to the Nintendo logo. It could be modded. It could be modded, and then it could be booted into custom firmware, and sometimes it fixes that as well. But usually that's a NAND issue, corrupted NAND or software. It can be modded and potentially bypassed. Not bypassed, but not bypassed. It could use it to rebuild its data again. It's a fix, Andy, don't doubt. You reckon? Yeah, if we got a voltage on there like 50 volts, 30 volts, whatever it was, yeah. Why is that not screwing in? That's the wrong bloody driver, that's why. Without the bypass switch, it gets the full voltage, but not full power. Just power below that rating of the series bulb. Why is that not screwing in? Oh dear. I don't know why that wasn't screwing properly. Okay. So we want to see this green light. So bulb isn't in circuit. Without the bypass switch, it gets the full voltage, but not the full power. Just a power below that rating of the series bulb. You are limiting the current draw by the bulb. Hence, you are limiting the current. Okay, so it gets the full voltage, but it won't start up because it needs the current, which is being limited by the bulb. Unless I bypass the bulb, then it gets its full ampage, or whatever it is, current, then it will work. So it's only receiving the voltage, but not the current. Hence the current limiting bulb. Okay. Right. Think that. Well done. Great perseverance, Andy. Never give up attitude is amazing. Well done. Yes, amazing. Thank you, guys. Here we go. Okay, ready? Do I want full bypass now at this point? Because we know it's fine. Now you're getting somewhere. Okay, I understand that now. I could go full bypass, give it the full beans. Full amperage, full current. Bypassed. 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Got no power light. Why? It's not bloody plugged in, you sausage. Oh, that's anticlimactic. Oh. It's not funny. It's not funny. Oh, there's too many leads. I have to worry about plugging a lead into there. Plug a lead into here. No, it's not hilarious. Oh God. Okay, here we go. Now, do you reckon I should leave that on just to see if we get a light? Muppet Show. Oh, I'm excited. I was gutted. I was seriously gutted. Anyway, here we go. Full power in 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh my God, you guys. Seriously. We got green light. Green light. Green light. Oh man, that's mental. Okay, we're good. Let's power that off. Oh my God. Thank you so much, guys. Amazing. That is so good. I am done with this thing. I am absolutely done with it. Now I've got to put it back in its base. Oh no, what have I got to do? I've got to try and secure that cap now because it's going to be bouncy. It's going to be bouncy, bouncy. Yes, thank you so much everyone for pushing it. Big old slice of pizza. No, I've only had a sandwich today. All right, I love you. Have a nice time. Forever and always. Especially Ben and Kyle. Yeah, big up to you two, man. Honestly, thank you so much. And everyone who's helped as well in the meantime. hot glue. Now, is hot glue a good idea? Would it melt? Epoxy is just going to run everywhere. It's not going to be thick enough. Will hot glue be good enough? Thing is, I said to this guy I was going to give him an estimate. Hot glue will be fine. Okay. I said I haven't even given him a cost of it yet. I said to him, once I diagnose it, I could always just take that cap out, put the original one back in. All right, I can go home now. Yeah, you go home, Electro Rep. I will message you in a bit, mate. I haven't got any mod chips, so if I do need to go down that route, I'll have to quickly order one from eBay. I mean, it'll come in handy for me as well, anyway. Shit, I don't know how much this is worth. I've not even looked at the cost of it. Time-wise, Christ. Spent too much time on it, which is my stupid fault. Where's my hot glue? That'll be the front door activation, by the way. Oh man, what lovely fixes today, huh? Sort of. I've still got to test see if that other one's... if that paint's worked. I think I've got to wait 24 hours still, haven't I? I've lost my hot glue stick. Whoa. You still got the old cap. Yeah.
Rakeshikas subscribe to the channel.
Thank you, Rakeshikas. I appreciate it. Thank you. You still got the old cap. Just hope you don't say no and watch this video. The thing is, like, it could be reversed. He just wants to be able to transfer his saved games on a new Switch. Yeah, basically data recovery. If it's only going to Nintendo logo and then shutting off, that's usually a software issue and corruption. So installing a mod chip, see if I could boot into custom firmware to be able to fix his current firmware. But there was also something else that caused that, and I can't remember what it was. Don't know if it was fuel gauge. Oh, I found it. I found the stick. Don't know if it was fuel gauge. Don't know. Installing a mod chip's not hard at all. It takes seconds. Won't need reballing. That's proper bound. What a beast. Such a savage way to apply hot glue. Oh, really? Sorin way. No, I've just seen... Who did I see? I think Vince does it. I need a bit more down there, really. But that should be alright. That's not going to bounce anywhere. Need to do also to that one because I cut that off, and those big two caps are fine. That one I need to add a bit more glue on too. It's snowing. Oh, PCDD, you little shit. Sorry I took over your stream. I don't think I did. I might have done. Actually, I'm going to apply a bit more onto here. Just for fun. And the chip. Why? The chip was fine. Oh, no, actually, no. Yeah, you're right. I broke the chip, didn't I? I do the same. Yeah. Still working? I am, yes. I fixed it now, thanks to chat. Like Kyle and Ben and everyone else who kept pushing, giving me different ideas. I'm so annoyed, though, because of the cause, the issue. So annoyed. Overlooked. There you go, on the chip as well. On the chip as well. Your chat is awesome. Oh man, so supportive. It's crazy. It's fine. I had a nightmare of a fix. Oh no. Of course, you still got hot snot everywhere. Of course. Gets everywhere, doesn't it? Hot glue only components prone to moving affected by vibrations. Yeah, I've done it. There was already glue on that chip anyway in the corner there. But we called it fixed. Let me go put it in its original home, original habitat. And then I could go and have a nice relaxing evening. Hopefully someone has to stream in. Oh man, I really enjoyed today. It's been a bit busy. Got the DVD player refixed again, although that's going to be probably a no-go. Repainted that touch panel. Hopefully that will sort itself out. I've got AliExpress delivery. Oh, I did the PS4, did a PS5, and the sub. I've still got the CD player in the house to do. I'll do that tomorrow morning, first thing, before I do the PlayStation. No, I'll do the PlayStation first, because it's easier to get out of the way. Chat helps so much, still never got to the bottom of the wrong password from a customer. Oh, really? What douchebag. Not you. So, the electrolytic caps, why, when they go bad, they don't short out? Whereas ceramic caps do. Right, where's this bad boy go? Oh yeah, there. Alright, now which direction was this? How much are these worth? Did anyone see? Different makeup. What? Money me, give me money. Exactly, Aaron. It's nice to see you in here, by the way, mate. Hope you're keeping well. Oh man, this is kind of hard to plug back in, actually. Oh, that's quite warm. Oh, it's hot glue, isn't it? Duh. I can't get it back in. Some short and blow, some just go open because they're old and tired. But I can't get this back in. You need skinny hands. Oh, pliers. I like blowing cap. Yeah, I had one burst on me once. Scary times. Come on, get in. You're almost in. Yes. Come on. Yes, clipped. Because of the electrolyte even, don't have any. They simply crack and short by touching plates inside. Ah, of course. Oh man, I'm still so happy about this. Currently, I've got a VR headset. I'm the first one ever. Not looking forward to it. The customer just kind of turned up with it. I had no choice. So you never know. If I like it, yeah, might be in touch. It's whatever it is, Meta free. It's great when those electrolytic bursts and crap all over a PCB. Is that sarcasm, Joe? That, Andrew, was sarcasm. Ah, okay. Because I've never smelled it. So people say it smells fishy, but if you ever need... Wow. I just ordered a USB-C port ribbon thingy for it. It's shorted on the USB-C port, so I bought a new ribbon for it. It needs a new USB-C. I haven't even taken it apart yet. £200 new for the full 5.1 system. Thanks. Crap. That's not as much as I thought it would be. I thought it would be a bit more. Yeah, okay. What I need to do is go look for a second-hand one and go based off of that. It needs to be close to second-hand, but you're going to stream? Of course, Aaron, yeah. Yeah, it's going to be a nightmare because I have no idea what I'm doing. take it apart. Aaron, somebody I know is called Aaron as well. He boosts up his price to fix them because he knows how hard they are taken apart. Well, not hard. He said there's a lot of screws, so he purposely boosts up the price for the fix so he doesn't get them. Let me know when. I will do. It will be. It might even be tomorrow because I got an AliExpress delivery today, and it might be on that. Okay, final test. Back together. I could use my audio input, but I can't be bothered right now. I just want to go. I'll test it tomorrow. Just want to see if we've got power directly in there. Power button on 3, 2, 1. Ah, beautiful. A completely dry cap on the VCC line of the PWM IC at Arrow. Oh. A completely dry cap on the VCC line of the PWM IC. Oh, did you ask what the fault was? Yeah, what was the fault? Yeah, a capacitor, dry cap, completely dried out. Electrolytic cap. But I thought I tested it because I took it out already once before. I thought I tested it, but obviously I didn't look at the ESR reading on it. I just thought it. I guess I just saw it say capacitor. I was like, yeah, it's read it. It's not short or anything, and I put it back. And then I was chasing for hours. What else it could be? Taking out components. And then somebody in chat, Kyle, said to recheck it. Oh man, I missed a screw. I have. And Ben also said that the resistor still gets hot because of that cap, so I double check it. Thanks, Russ. And that's what it was. Annoyed. So annoyed. Oh, and it's a nice little sub. Very nice. Wolferdale. Fixed. Oh, I love that. That's 2 subs in 2 weeks repaired. All right, I'm going to leave this as a mess. Oh, yeah. The electrolyte is what makes the proper capacity and the low ESR as well. That's cool. Nice that, yeah. I think he said I can't do this 8 times. Yes, because I was literally chasing nothing when it was right in front of my face, what I've already looked at. So I could have still been running around that whole board testing components. And there isn't a way you can fault find a bad cap without testing it manually, right? Or unless that is a sign, if the resistor's getting really hot, it could be a bad cap on the same line. Andy, you have a twin bloke I used to work with who looks like you. Oh, yeah. I bet he's not as nice as me, though. To be honest, Andy, I don't think I'm going to have time to even attempt to fix them. No, I could imagine, mate. It's pronounced Wolfdale. Oh, is it? Not Wolferdale. Okay, Wolfdale. Ridiculous amount to get around. Yeah, I saw the video you sent before. That one did look fine, so only way is to test it. Yeah, there was no bulging. No, it's not Simon Pegg. I don't look nothing like Simon Pegg now. It's because I've shaved my head and got a beard. I look different. I change looks. I look like different people every time I change my face. Right, guys, I appreciate everyone so much. Thanks for all the lurkers as well. I am going to go. I need to see if my kids are still alive. I've kind of abandoned them because I've been on this. Yeah, caps don't always look faulty. Well, there you go. I learnt it now. Cheers, babes. You're welcome, Grass Puddle. Dave streaming. Oh, is he? I hear that Simon has shaved his hair off. Not real Simon Pegg. Hello. Thanks, Rick. Agonize. Oh, thank you. Very interesting. 100%. Was that you who messaged on Discord a minute ago? I think it was. I'll catch up with Discord and Julian. I'll speak to you after in a minute, mate. You're welcome, Worms. Nice to see you in here still, buddy. Kawask, thank you. My Side Experiments, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Tommy, oh, thank you. See you tomorrow. Yes, I'll still be streaming tomorrow. Great stream, Andy. We really enjoyed that. Well done again. No, thank you to chat. Honestly, I wouldn't have been able to do it with you guys. Thanks, Kyle, as well again. Thank you. Ben, if you're still in here. Hot Cows, I see you around. Aaron, cheers, buddy. See you tomorrow for the VR. Potentially. I don't know if it's arriving tomorrow. I mean, today. I am waiting for AliExpress delivery tonight, so we'll see what comes in the package. Nick, you'll never see them together. That's true, Nick. Thank you. Falcon, thank you. Bye, Nick. I think that's everyone now. Okay, I'm going to shoot off. What a day. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Piernov. Okay. Hi, Piernov, and bye. Bye, guys.